Repeat after me. Piping is easy. Hi guys, welcome back to another video of Bunnie cakes. My name is Mariana and today I'm teaching you 4 piping techniques that will take your vegan cakes to the next level. Piping is so much fun. Yes, it can be a little time consuming and yes, it looks hard. But the reality is that once you practice enough, it becomes quite easy. With these 4 tips, you can create a range of textures that will add excitement to your creation. Dollop. For this tip, we're going to use from the brand Ateco, the tip number 809 or 808. This tip is used a lot at the bakery because it is what we use to decorate all our cupcakes and to frost our cakes when we do the crumb coat or the first layer of frosting. So this is a must in my piping tip collection. Flowers, open tip. I use for this design Ateco 828. You can create shells, stars, rosette, and flowers. The open flower design produces a subtle texture great for a soft presentation. Flowers, close tip. For this design, we use tip 849 from Ateco. I use this to decorate large cupcakes. It is particularly pretty when you use this tip to make rosette swirl on them. Star or French star. This is super cute and very useful to finish your design. For this, we use 866 from Ateco. This tip looks very pretty when you are decorating with 2 or 3 different colors in the same piping bag. I love how the final result looks with different colors. With a little practice, you will be able to master these piping techniques and elevate your vegan cake to a whole new level. All you need is patience. I hope you enjoyed this 4 piping technique. And if you are starting with cake or cupcake decoration, these are a must in your pantry. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any new videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.